Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the ice maker fan motor and sensor assembly on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new ice maker fan motor and sensor assembly for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The ice maker fan motor blows cold air from the freezer into the ice maker compartment. If the motor fails, it can cause the ice maker compartment to warm, which can halt ice production. The fan motor may also make noise when it fails. This noise can sometimes be attributed to the fan blades running into ice or frost. Since we will be working with the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect power to the refrigerator. Start by opening the freezer door. Then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. In order to make filming this easier, we will be removing the freezer door. You do not have to remove the freezer door to complete this repair. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the 2 bolts holding the evaporator cover in place. Then pull the evaporator cover towards you, being careful as it is still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tabs. If the cover is frozen in place, open the freezer door and unplug the refrigerator, allowing it to thaw. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove this bolt holding the assembly in place. Disconnect the electrical connector closest to the fan by depressing the locking tab. Then, remove the thermistor from the evaporator coil and separate it from the clip. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry the locking tabs on the motor and sensor assembly and pull it away from the duct to remove it. If you need to purchase a new ice maker fan motor and sensor assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on the refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align and press until the assembly snaps back into place. Reconnect the electrical connector. Install the new thermistor into the clip by aligning it and pressing it until it snaps into place. Then, reinstall onto the evaporator coil. Reinstall the bolt. Insert the cover into the freezer compartment and reconnect the electrical connector. Then, press until it seats back into place and reinstall the screws. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide rail. Then pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.